The path to a low-carbon future is confronting oil producers with a very unique challenge: how to provide energy needed to meet demand growth while also striving for that big net zero emissions classification. Christina Partsenevelis is here with some of these companies that are striking that balance on that front with zero net emissions. Christina.
Well, we know oil and gas companies have faced huge pressures from environmentalists to adopt stricter emissions reduction targets. For example, in 2020, almost half of U.S. energy related to CO2 emissions were from crude oil alone. So, of course, the pressure is on. And you've got companies like Exxon, Cenovus, Chevron, Suncor that have all made non-binding targets to reach net zero emissions by 2050. And they could do this by scaling up carbon capture and storage technology, fuel switching, material recycling, and the use of renewables. The list goes on. But there's a change in sentiment right now. New research shows frequent investors are inclined to think oil and gas emission targets are already doing enough, especially as we talk about energy security and gas prices that are soaring. And this is compared to the general public that is a little bit more split on these goals, or the balancing act between net zero and energy security. Even the largest asset manager in the world, BlackRock, plans to support fewer climate proposals this year versus 2021 because of how demanding they have become. So I was fortunate to catch up with the CEO of Cenovus, a Canadian oil and gas company with several refineries in the United States. And he's seen a major shift in shareholders' opinions just over the last 6 months. Listen in.
I have seen a huge shift in investor sentiment, and there is a very growing focus that when people talk about this transition, I think there's a recognition that transition is going to take many, many decades. And secondly, that energy security during this extended transition is going to be very, very important.
He, along with other CEOs, are in D.C. on Capitol Hill right now discussing net zero targets. But what we're seeing is, despite this change in shareholder tone this year over concerns about energy security as well as climate resolutions, overall, climate resolutions are still expected to increase after the SEC allowed for more types of climate proposals at annual meetings. So that means fossil fuel companies are definitely still on the hook to do more, Dom.
A complicated story for sure. Christina Partsenevelis, thank you very much for that.